What's up, mofos? Mason the French here. So basically what this channel is going to be about is it's going to be about me doing trading and showing y'all and analyzing how I do this stuff. I'm fairly new to this, so I'm learning just as much as y'all are if you're watching this video. So I'm still looking at the charts. I'm just trying to see how they work. I'm trying to see how my strategy works. And I'm just trying to obviously become profitable. The whole point of these videos is I'm going to show y'all the trades that I did, what the chart looks like to me, how I analyze it, and we're gonna go from there. I keep on forgetting I have my brother sucking out on a glizzy right there. But you can just look at both of us and you already know what kind of type we on. So, trading. Yellow down here is Tokyo, orange right here is London, and purple right here is going to be New York. Now this white line, I'll get to that in a minute. So, how I do the chart is I marked it up right here on the 14 hour, which is going to be 9 a.m. Eastern time, I believe. And I do this in the morning every time. I usually mark it up for the day and I see how it's gonna go. And then once I'm ready to trade, I just go to the 14:30, 9:30 Eastern time. I go to that, and then that's when the market starts to open. So looking at this already, I can tell that right when it opens, I have a big red and I have a big green. So usually what I do in this case is I wait about 2 to 6 minutes. It's usually I wait about like 2 to 7 minutes. It usually just depends on how I'm feeling in that time. But like I said, right here on this big red on this one, this would have been an opportunity for me to go in for a trade. I know there's not really much there's a shit ton of consolidation right over here, but in my eyes, I would have taken a trade when I saw the third red candlestick right over here. I probably honestly would have taken it right here a little bit downwards because I can see a normal trend that's going to start happening right there. But I'm a fucking idiot. I woke up at 6 and I hit snooze for whatever fucking reason. So I got in the market a little bit later at around 6:45. So at about right here was when I got in the market. So I already saw the decline trend. So that shit was kind of fucked. But this is where the white line came in right over here. So I saw how it was gonna make a downtrend. Can I draw? I can draw. So to show y'all right here is I saw this downtrend coming down right over here. That's cool. Open sell position right there. But in my eyes, I saw that the market was gonna make a reverse based off of these 3 reds right down over here. That's why I put this white line up here, is because this was the beginning of the downtrend that I saw. So I saw that shit go down. Basically, I waited, and then when I saw this green happening right over here, that's when I started my position to start buying. So I bought in right there, and I knew the trend was gonna keep going up because eventually, from what I saw, is that it was gonna match this trend right up here. It was gonna match this line right here at 1435. It was eventually gonna go back up to that. It was just a matter of time when. I put in right here at an early time, around the 15 hour, and then I basically rode it all the way up here, and then I eventually sold right up here at the top. And then I waited a good amount of time, maybe like 10 minutes or so, because I didn't know what the hell was gonna keep on going on. And this whole area right here, I gave up on this area because it was just straight consolidation. There's no reason to take a trade because that's no money. I'm gonna lose all that shit. So why the fuck would I do that? So I got the trade in, and then I stopped after that, and I just went on with my day. And for some reason on Forex, I do not see anything on Monday. I know I'm not tripping. I know that I saw some shit earlier today, but that shit is long gone for some reason. Hey, at least I know when I trade tomorrow. Look at these fucking reds. Look at that shit. That might be a sell day. I'm in California right now. So I wake up at 6. Markets open at 6:30. And so I guess these portfolios would be around the time that I'm doing that. So I think this could... Fuck, I don't know. We're gonna find out. And I've also been trading for 3 days now. So today, on Monday, was my 3rd day. I traded last week on Friday and Thursday, and I make sure I keep a track in my notes as to what I did that day and how the trades looked. On day 1, I was profitable $100 and I traded on the wrong market, but I still made cash. So I don't know how the fuck, but when I first started trading, I had my chart where I looked at to make the trades, and then I had TradingView, and the 2 charts were looking completely different. and I was hella confused. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. But then later that day, I went in to the system and I learned more on how to do it. And then I found out how to switch it what I'm trading to. So now the charts actually look the same when I trade now. So now I'm not looking like a fucking dumbass. Day 2 was a shitty day. I lost over $1,000 trading stupid. I did make a nice trade in the beginning, but then there was consolidation after that. I was in the green this day. I was up actually $1,000, and then that shit just whoosh. My greedy ass wanted to see what the fuck was gonna happen, so that shit happened. Lost 1,000 trading, but overall I was down 1,600 that day. No, 1,400, but still pretty dog shit. And then day 3, I was down $300 in the beginning. I came back and I got over 1,000. I was up 700. I traded some more and then I lost 500. That was when the consolidation was happening. But overall I'm in the green. So I made a profit of 700 that day. And I wish I could show y'all my trades that I took, but again, I'm new to this, so I'm still learning how to like get to where I can filter out the trades that I took and where I won, where I lost. So I'm trying to show y'all that. And FYI, I am using fake money when I'm doing this. So I'm not actually trading yet. I'm using a demo account, and I'm doing that right now because obviously I don't feel super comfortable with the situation that I'm in right now. So I'm doing a demo as much as possible until I'm super confident in what the fuck I'm doing. And then once I'm cool with that, then that's when I'll get into actual trading, and that's when I'll be just locked the fuck in. But that's what I wanted to say for this video. First video of y'all seeing what the fuck I do. Probably doesn't make any sense right now, but hey, we finna learn together and we finna grow together. We're just trying to see how the fuck this shit works properly. And I'll be uploading daily most likely so that I can show y'all my wins, losses, what I did, what I didn't do. And I guarantee you I'm probably gonna do real-time trading too. So we're gonna get some good shit into that one. So you're gonna see the goods and the bads and the dumb shit that I do. But done with this video, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video.